Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to switch your career from non-IT to IT. Gone are the days when only CS IT guys could get into IT jobs. If you are from a non-IT branch like mechanical, electrical, civil, auto, etc., then you can also get into an IT job without any hustle provided you possess the skills required. Before COVID, getting a software developer job, which is the highest paying and the most demanding, is considered one of the toughest jobs. Even those from non-tech backgrounds are curious to switch to tech. If you're one of them, you're at the right place. But before beginning your journey, question yourself, why do you want to switch from non-tech to tech? Which domain of IT excites you? How to switch from service-based to a product-based company? Why IT? This article will guide you through the way to getting into tech jobs. As you're seeing that many big tech companies are laying off their employees, hence individuals, be it from sales or marketing, are trying to upskill themselves so as to have various job opportunities. Every year, service-based and product-based companies hire candidates in huge numbers based on the technical skills they have. So, to answer the most asked question of how to switch from non-tech to tech jobs, to get into IT jobs, you just need the required skills and are good to go. With this being said, if you're someone who really wants to get into tech jobs, no matter if you're from whichever background, be it IT or non-IT, this article will provide you with a guided pathway that you should follow thoroughly. How to switch your career to IT? Before we begin, it's important to know that educational qualification isn't just enough to get you into IT. It's also true in some cases that tech companies prefer candidates with a tech background or a BTech degree. But if you have the skills or knowledge, you're sure to get selected. This article is designed for anyone who's either from a tech or non-tech background. You must definitely go through the complete interview preparation, self-paced course mentioned above, which is a complete package if you want to prepare for and crack tech interviews. Prerequisite: choose the right domain. First and foremost, choose a domain that interests you and accordingly go to the roadmap so as to know its details from scratch. Here are some of the domains you can go through as per your interest: web development, roadmap to become a web developer; machine learning, how to start learning machine learning; data scientist, how to become data scientist, a complete roadmap; cloud computing, how to make a career in cloud computing. Also, before choosing a domain, you must have a good grip over the below given points. Since, whatever profession you choose, it's important to have an understanding of the below mentioned points so as to solve real-life problems. Major technologies mentioned here are for SDE roles, but these will also help you if you're interested in some other IT domains. 1. Computer fundamentals. Trending now: data structures, algorithms, to development, data science, topic-wise practice, Python, machine learning, JavaScript, Java++, React, Node.js, competitive programming aptitude, puzzles, projects, web development related articles. Write an interview experience. Share your campus experience. 5 ways to use social media in a right way. No code development. Start your freelancing programming career. How to prepare design components for front-end developers. Best tips and strategies to prepare for a coding interview. How to apply for service-based companies in India. CBSE Class 12 Computer Science, self-paced course. How to generate Spring XMP configuration files programmatically. How technology has influenced the stock market. Top 7 database you must know for software development projects. How to explain employment gaps in an interview. DynamoDB. Understand the benefits with real-life use cases. 9 features of Chrome developer tools that you must know. Are robots really self-learning? 14 important coding rules to learn from great developers. 10 best Microsoft Edge extensions that you can consider. 5 PDF converters to consider in 2023. The power of computer forensics in criminal and civil courts. List of useful GitHub commands. Complete roadmap for second-year college students. B.Tech BCA. B.SC. How to become a chief technology officer. Must do coding questions for companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe. Practice for cracking any coding interview. Must do coding questions. Company-wise top 10 projects for beginners to practice HTML and CSS skills. Fast IO for competitive programming. Top 10 algorithms and data structures for competitive programming. How to write regular expressions. 30 OOPS interview questions and answers. 2023. 100 days of code. A complete guide for beginners and experienced algorithm to solve Rubik's Cube. How to switch your career from non-IT to IT. Read, discuss. Gone are the days when only CS IT guys could get into IT jobs. If you are from a non-IT branch like mechanical, electrical, civil, auto, etc., then you can also get into an IT job without any hustle provided you possess the skills required. Every now and then you see posts from LinkedIn. Professionals mentioning, I got a job offer from Amazon as a software developer of 50 LPA CTC. I got a job offer from Microsoft of 75 LPA CTC, etc. Don't you get surprised and wonder if you can get one such job? Worry not. This article will guide you through the way to getting into tech jobs. As you're seeing that many big tech companies are laying off their employees, hence individuals, be it from sales or marketing, are trying to upskill themselves so as to have various job opportunities. Every year, service-based and product-based companies hire candidates in huge numbers based on the technical skills they have. So, to answer the most asked question of how to switch from non-tech to tech jobs, to get into IT jobs, you just need the required skills and are good to go. With this being said, if you're someone who really wants to get into tech jobs, no matter if you're from whichever background, be it IT or non-IT, this video will provide you with a guided pathway that you should follow thoroughly. If you're someone from a non-tech background, planning to take a switch from a non-technical to a technical career, or someone who's already working in MNCs planning to switch from a service-based company to a product-based company, here is a well-designed, structured, and must-read course. Complete interview preparation, self-paced. This course is mentored by Sandeep Jain, CEO, founder of Geeks for Geeks, having 10 plus years of teaching experience. This course is meant for everyone, no matter if you're a graduate, a professional, a fresher, or from non-IT background. It has all the concepts from basics to advanced which are needed to help you with the interview preparation. This course has covered all the main topics which are required for tech interviews. Candidates who have taken and completed this course are placed into Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Adobe, etc. How to switch your career to IT? Before we begin, it's important to know that educational qualification isn't just enough to get you into IT. It's also true in some cases that tech companies prefer candidates with a tech background or a BTech degree. But if you have the skills or knowledge, you're sure to get selected. This video is designed for anyone who's either from a tech or non-tech background. You must definitely go through the complete interview preparation, self-paced course mentioned above, which is a complete package if you want to prepare for and crack tech interviews. We have mentioned some high-paying jobs in the IT industry. If you want to explore more IT jobs, then refer to the video, Top Highest Paying IT Jobs. If you want the IT jobs which required less coding, then refer to the articles. 5 well-paying tech jobs that don't require coding. I don't like coding. What should I do to get a job in IT? Also, before choosing a domain, you must have a good grip over the below given points. Since, whatever profession you choose, it's important to have an understanding of the below-mentioned points so as to solve real-life problems. Major technologies mentioned here are for SDE roles, but these will also help you if you're interested in some other IT domains. 1. Computer fundamentals. The primary step when it comes to getting into an IT tech job is to clear basic fundamentals, and that can be cleared once you read about it thoroughly. Have a strong command over topics such as basics of computer and its operations, operating system, multiprogramming, multiprocessing, multithreading, process management and scheduling, process synchronization, deadlock, memory management, computer networking, TCP, IP versus OSI model, circuit switching versus packet switching, flow control protocols, IP and classful addressing, classless addressing. Routing protocols ARP and DHCP, transport layer TCP and UDP, application layer introduction to DBMS architectures, ER model. Relational model keys in relational model database, normalization, normal forms, concurrency control, indexing in database, B plus tree, introduction, SQL2. Programming languages. Indeed, there are multiple options when it comes to learning a programming language. But the point is, you cannot choose any programming language. To begin, start with C since it is the mother of all languages, and also C will help you to understand even basic things which will definitely help you in the future while implementing projects. Also, choosing a programming language depends on which domain you're interested in. For example, JavaScript is APT for web development, Python for machine learning, Java for Android development. These are some of the most popular programming languages used by developers. They are C, C++, Java, Python 3. OOP object-oriented programming makes programming easy. It helps in creating an object and class referring to an entity, which simplifies software development. Classes and objects are the basic fundamentals that form a structure while coding. Hence, these concepts must be clear enough. These OOPS concepts will help you during implementation while you'll be working on projects in the future. 4 basic concepts of OOPS: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. 4. SATSA is the building block of any programming language. Data structure is used to hold data, while algorithms provide the process steps followed to use data and solve a problem. It helps you in building efficient software. 5. Practice, practice, practice. As you know that consistency is the key to success. Once you have learned any programming language and start learning DSA, then never skip solving at least one problem on daily basis. Practicing DSA will help you to grab a high-paying job. Start your DSA journey by solving basic problems, then try to move on to medium and hard-level problems. Also, try to participate in coding events as it will boost your confidence. 6. Projects. Since you have gained enough knowledge, it's time to work on projects. Working on projects helps you get an idea of how it works. Through this, you face real-life challenges and work on them. Thus, after choosing a domain, make sure you build at least 2 to 3 projects, basic, to get industry-ready. 7. Build a tech resume. After gaining skills, the time has come to build a tech resume that covers all the skills you have gained and is also ATS-friendly to make your resume stand out and increase the chances of getting hired. Looking to prepare one such resume, but don't know how to build one? 8. Aptitude and reasoning. Now is the right time to get yourself ready with all the placement rounds. Generally, companies undergo 3 to 4 rounds, which are aptitude, QNTITATIVE, ANLYSIS, number, system divisibility test, HCF, and LCM, decimals, fractions, squares, and cubes, average, age log, and percentage profit, loss and discount ratio and proportion, boards and streams, simple interest, compound interest, area and volume, race, clocks, and calendar, ICL, reasoning, data sufficiency, data interpretation, blood relation sequence, and series direction test, mathematical operations, syllogism, basics of grammar, active and passive voice, passage and sentence formation, subject verb and agreement, modifiers, error spotting, para jumble add-ons for getting into IT tech jobs. Strong connect on LinkedIn. The whole world is online now. People connect via social media platforms. LinkedIn is one such platform where you build a tech profile and can connect to CEOs, CTO, managers, and engineers of various MNCs. Try building a techful profile on LinkedIn and have a strong connection with tech professionals. Stay updated with the latest technology that companies work on. Freelancing is also a good option. All thanks to technology, you can even try working as a freelancer by sitting at home, and that too for short durations. Tech companies also hire freelancers if they have the skills on a project basis. You can also try freelancing in whichever domain you would like to. In this way, you'll get an idea of what kind of work will be assigned to you, how to manage tasks, and other tech stuff. Not only this, but you'll also understand whether that particular domain really excites you or not. Conclusion: it may seem tough, but it's really easy getting into the technical field. You just need to have a good grip on technical concepts and you're good to go. Having a strong desire and consistency in learning technical stuff is all you need to switch to a technical career. The above mentioned points act as a complete guide in your learning journey. Thanks for watching.